Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create realistic rain effect for our video on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC application and I'm going to show you two methods we can try to add realistic rain effect to our video. The first method is adding a video effect to our video. We can go to the effects menu and then we can search for the rain effect. Right here, just type in rain effect and hold on. Right, and you can add this effect to your video like this, and as you can see guys that the rain effect has been applied to my video. Okay, and then for the second method, I'm going to add rain overlay video. We're going to go to the CapCut stock material and then I'm going to search for rain video. Okay, I'm going to select this one guys. I'm going to add this video to my timeline and wait, I'm going to cut the video. Okay, and then I'm going to blend this video with my video. We can go to the blend mode and then select overlay. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create realistic rain effect on the CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!